Hey everyone, I got a new truck. Well, it's not new. New to me though. If you saw one of my recent videos on the some kind of phone mount for your car or truck, I mentioned in there that I was getting rid of the truck that I was in because the engine blew up on it. This truck has got to go. Yeah, it blew a head gasket and it's going to get scrapped. No one will work on it. It's old and rusty and not worth putting a new motor in. Anyway, here it is. Well, I went crazy a little bit, and this truck sets up a lot higher than my other one, so my 3.5-inch drop hitch would not work. So one of the things I had to do was get me a new hitch. I haven't even opened it yet, but I'll explain to you why I got the one I got when I open it up. So we're going to see what we got here. For one thing, this is rated for 10,000 pounds, which I'll never tow, but I think it weighs 10,000 pounds. It is heavy. I can't believe how heavy it is. That's going to make my truck squat a little bit probably. One reason I went with this was right here. American made. Yeah, I paid more for it, but that's okay. I wanted an American made. Not that I don't use China made stuff. I do. But I wanted to get a really good one and one that I hopefully don't have to worry about. And the main reason I got it wasn't because it was American made. I love the design of it. So we'll see if I still like it once I get it out. This is the B&W. It's called the Stow and Go. So as you can see, here's the hitch that goes into the receiver, and you can actually have this out of the way on the back. So, but man, that dude's heavy. I don't want to have to take this off and on all the time. Oh my goodness. It is nothing like this one. That's my old one. But I'll see if I can explain how this works. Pull these pins, which I have some locks coming for this because someone might steal this. And pull these pins. Oh, and I am in no way affiliated with B&W. I paid money for this. They don't even know me. But the thing I like about this one is it doesn't fall off. See, it's still on there even though I pulled it. And then I can flip this around, put it where I need it. And on my measuring, I figured out I needed a 7-inch drop. Actually a little more, but I'm sitting on a slant, so I figured 7 would be close enough. There is a few different variations of this. I got the one with a 2-inch and a 2 5/8 inch ball. You can also get a 2-inch and an 1 7/8 inch ball, or you can get all three of those. Kind of wish I would have got all three. I don't ever use a 1 7/8 or a 2 5/8 for that matter, but that goes like that. Okay, so I don't know if this is a mistake or what, but there's no pin that goes through there, unless I'm just not seeing it. No, it's not in here. Are you kidding me? For the money you pay for this, there's not a receiver pin? That does not make any sense. Well, I got my old one. That'll work until my new one comes. Because I'm going to go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. I hate to put this on this truck. I'm going to do it anyway. Although, you know what? I had another hitch on my other receiver for the Tahoe. It's a lot cleaner looking. This is just from being on my old truck. My old truck was so rusty. It made all this rusty. This wasn't rusty when I put it on there. I do think that for the money you pay for these, B&W could put a pin in there. I don't mean put a pin in it. I mean the receiver hitch pin should come with this thing, don't you think? I didn't get this truck because of this, but you know, if you got it, might as well use it. Huh? Yeah. So one thing I did hear a complaint about on these is the rattling, and as you can see, it will rattle quite a bit if you do a lot of, because you have you know, a spot here, you have a spot here, and you have a spot here that will all rattle. So you may have an issue with that, but overall I think we're looking pretty good. So there it is in the stowed position. It's supposed to look pretty cool, and it kind of does look pretty cool, I guess. I did see somewhere that if this rattles too much as you're driving, B&W makes something, I don't know how it works, but they make something that's supposed to take the rattle out. So apparently just another thing to sell you. Yep, that's how they do it. Let's flip this back around. I mean, unless you're doing this, you know, 10 times a day, it'd be different. But if you're doing it 10 times a day, you're going to leave it just like that anyway. I think I got to go up one more. Yeah, I was down too far. We'll do the 2-inch, and apparently you use the front hole. Yeah, you use the front hole if you're using the ball, but if you're storing it, it uses the back hole. So I think that's going to work. Don't know why it wouldn't. Looks pretty good. Trailer looks pretty level even from there. So yeah, there it is, the B&W Tow and Stow. This is a 7-inch drop. I think you can get a 5 and a 3 or something. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not affiliated with them at all. I don't have an affiliate link for them. I mean, I guess I could drop a link, an Amazon link, if you want that. I think I got a little better deal going directly to B&W. I think. Can't remember. No. Haha. I actually bought this through eBay because I could get a discount from my Capital One discount. So it actually went down quite a bit from the retail price. But anyway, I'll leave a link to the Amazon in case you want to see it. And then you can do your own searching. Go to B&W, try eBay, that kind of thing, and see what you can come up with if you're interested in this. Hope that helped you on your decision. There's a lot of good ones out there. I don't know if this is the best one or not. This is the only one I've had other than the Reese that I get at O'Reilly. These have been fine. I haven't had a problem with these ever. But I didn't want just a 7-inch drop because it would just stay there. I wanted to be able to stow it. Like I said, I like the design of this one, so that's why I did it. Okay, I like the design. That's why I got this one. No other reason, really. So that's it. Take a look at it. Well, that's it for this one. I pray God blesses you. I hope you have a wonderful day.